welcome back to a new vlog. I am so sorry I look this rough, but it has been a busy couple of weeks. Also, what is my hair doing? I don't even know. It is still wet from the shower. But as you guys know, we are working in the apartment right now. So every single day that we have off, and by we I mean my stepdad, my mom, and my boyfriend and me, are just working in the apartment, and not having a day off to recharge our batteries for a couple of weeks in a row is definitely a bit hard, and it gets tiring, and you can definitely see it on my face right now. But yeah, I am currently drinking my coffee, and I have a couple of things on the agenda for today. I have to go and get some more paint for the apartment, of course. I have to go and get some cleaning supplies, and then of course I have to go to the apartment and do some more work. Today is actually Monday, February 1st. It is 10:26 in the morning, and as you can see, I just got out of the shower. So now I'm going to get ready, do my makeup, because I want to feel a little bit better about myself. By the way, there is paint everywhere on my hands. But yeah, I'm going to finish up my coffee. I just had breakfast. I'm going to do my makeup, and then I also want to show you guys the progress that we made in the apartment. I want to show you guys all of the changes that we did, which is so freaking exciting if you ask me. So yeah, but now I'm going to fix this mess, and then I will see you guys later. Alright guys, makeup is done. This is a finished look. It is very simple, very easy, and I also decided to wear a lip balm because when we go out we just have to wear a face mask, so I don't really see the point in wearing a lipstick. And since we have to work in the apartment all day long, this is just nice and comfy. By the way, now that it is getting colder, I get really red around my nose, and it is driving me insane because when I apply makeup on it and then I have to blow my nose, it is just all gone, and you can see the redness right here. So if you guys have any tips on that, because I also have a little bit of I think an allergic reaction there. I don't know, there's a lot of bumps. So if you guys have any tips for that, definitely let me know in the comments down below. But yeah, now I'm going to put on some regular pants instead of my sweatpants and head on over to get some paint. Then I'm going to show you guys the progress that we made in the apartment, which I think is the most exciting part if you ask me. So yeah, I will see you guys, I guess, in the apartment later. Alright, so I am in the apartment right now. As you can see, there is a huge mess behind me, but the walls are all painted white, which does make a huge difference. So we got rid of the ugly yellow walls, and then yesterday we basically almost finished off the kitchen. There are still a few things that we need to do, but we changed the handles. As you can see, they had these really ugly white handles, and now they are a beautiful gold. We also painted the tiles right here. Obviously, we also cleaned everything, and inside the drawers I already added a few of the things that I purchased. I still have to get dividers and everything like that, but yeah. And then this is my toaster that I got for Christmas, and then also my water boiler. But I think the kitchen looks so pretty. It really didn't take a huge budget, and I think it is a world of a difference. I will add in a video of what it used to look like, but as you can see, it is just a huge difference. We still have to change these things right here, and add a new light fixture and stuff like that, but those are just small finishing touches, and I do really love how the kitchen turned out. There are still a few things that I want to change in this kitchen, but for now this is what we are working with, and I think it looks so beautiful. The handles were like 20 euros for all of them, and then the paint for the tiles as well. So with 40 euros I think we made a huge difference. I will add in a video now of all of the work that we put in yesterday in the kitchen. This also needs a third coat, but I think this will look very beautiful. It used to look like this, but since we are not going to use it a lot, we thought we would paint it white as well. So far the transformation in the kitchen, which I think is very beautiful. And then all of this mess here in the middle is my couch. We went to IKEA last week and picked it up, and I thought it was going to fit into one car, but of course it didn't. You should have seen our faces when they brought everything up. So we had to use 2 cars to get it here, and then there are also no stairs in this building, and I live on the 2nd floor, so we had to carry all of this upstairs ourselves, which was a workout, let me tell you that. But tomorrow we are going to assemble the couch, which is going in the corner right here, so I will definitely film the process of that as well. So I'll show you guys everything else that we did. We also painted these everywhere. The hallway still needs to be done, so this still needs to be painted white. I painted this as well. The first room is also painted white, but it might need another layer, we're not sure, we'll see. And then this room still needs a lot of work. We peeled off all of the wallpaper, I think 2 or 3 weeks ago. But there are a lot of cracks and holes in the walls, which we filled up. But now we still have to sand everything down, and then we will try to paint it if it will look okay. And maybe we'll have to use some sort of wallpaper, but we will see. And then next week or the week after that, we will change the flooring, which is so exciting. And yeah, that is basically everything that we did so far, I think. So far the little update of everything that we did. But now I'm going to start painting this last one in the kitchen. So the frame of the door still needs to be painted. And then the one in the hallway needs a second coat. Then we will clean everything right there so that we could put the couch there tomorrow, and that is basically it. So I'm going to stop rambling now and actually start working. Some people cool, some people try to get by. You don't have a reason, it's hard to make it all worthwhile. Alright guys, it's time for a little update. It is now Let me check. It is now 3:20 in the afternoon and I just got home from working in the apartment. We got a lot of things done today, a lot of painting, a lot of boring stuff. And then we also cleaned that corner where the couch is going to come. And then tomorrow, me and my boyfriend, or my boyfriend and I, will assemble the couch, which I am very excited yet nervous about because I've never assembled an IKEA couch. And it is a lot of boxes and stuff like that. So yeah, I am very nervous to see if we will be able to pull it off. I think so. So yeah, those are the plans for tomorrow. But for now, I made myself some tea, as you guys saw. There it is. And now I'm going to start editing this video. And also, I'm going to edit my everyday makeup drawer. So that is coming up before this video. So if you want to see that video, it will already be up on my channel. So you can just go ahead and click on that. But yeah, for now I'm going to edit, drink my tea and chill for a little bit because as I mentioned, these have been some crazy hectic busy days.